Off our flight, headed over to the lounge now. How am I so glowy? It's that young jet lag mask, but I need to check my Instagram. Airborne is a must when you're traveling. So nice. That's me. Purchase of the trip. Just arrived to Hong Kong, and I don't know if you can tell, but I am freaking dying. It is so hot right now. We made it to Hong Kong. Here we are. Causeway Bay is where we're going to right now. We're at Gentle Monster, and look how cute these sunnies are. I'm so sad. Oh my gosh, look at my sisters. I love these. Those are a vibe. These are kind of crazy. Oh my god, no. I love these. These are cute. Oh my god. Australia Dairy Company. This is, what is this? Fried egg, macaroni, chicken noodle soup. And this is the egg sandwich. Oh my god, that actually looks so good. My first taste at the macaroni and chicken noodle soup. It's good. You're gonna like it. No, it's good. It is good. It's good. It's good. This is the French toast. That's really good. That's really, really good. That's really good. Travel tip. Always stash some napkins because you never know what's going to happen. Beautiful. But this is why Asian people don't age as fast, or at least they don't look like they do. Look at them exercising. Wow. So I gave in and I got myself some Starbucks because it's really hot, and a lot of the places where we were just at in Hong Kong, they sold a lot of hot teas, so we couldn't find like a nice icy cold brew coffee, which is what we were looking for. So here we are, thousands of miles from home, getting Starbucks. Finally came to Din Tai Fung. Yum, that's my favorite. Morning, so we're headed to the airport now. We're leaving Hong Kong, and our next stop is Japan of this entire Asia trip. So we are on the tram going to the lounge at the moment, and then we're gonna go back to the gate, but we're just really hungry, so we're gonna get some food to eat. I don't even know if you can hear me. Yeah, Hong Kong was so fun, so good to see my best friend. here we are, came to Japan. Look at our little hotel.
Living area?
This is the Kame City Hotel. That's a bidet, toilet room. Here is the bathroom. Very nice. Here's our like little bedroom. 3 beds. And we've got a closet area. And yeah, here it is. So cute. Trying to decide what we want. That looks so freaking good. Oh my god, I don't know what that is. Here's our little haul of food. I really want to try this Muji strawberry stuff. We got some, what is this called? Samgap kimbap? What's onigiri? Yeah, and then some like chobap and stuff. Oh my god. I'm just so excited to eat. Just so hungry. So it's our first day in Tokyo and we're going to the station right now. We're gonna go to Shibuya and where are we going? Shinjuku, Harajuku, and Shibuya today. And we came in pretty late last night from the airport, so we had to eat dinner late too. That's why I kind of look crazy, but just so excited. The weather's so nice today. It's very overcast, and it's not as humid and hot as it was in Hong Kong. So super happy about that. How cool is this? This is a parking lot. What the heck? Why do we not have this in America? Laundromat, and how cute is this place? Because we wanted to do some laundry. So cute. Oh my god, look at these kids having school, PE class. This lady is like, has a mic and all. We made it to Shibuya. Here it is. Here it is. Look at this. How cool is this? Rotating sushi. I ate 9 plates of food. There we go. 9 plates. And the total came out to $9.72, so $9.72 about. Of Cafe Kitsune. You know what? We're gonna go. You better get in there. Get in there. No! No! Okay.
One more time, Jenny.
Alright. Alright, upper crane. Okay, here we go. Here we go. You know what? We're gonna get this guy because this guy's close. Like back a little bit. Okay. Let's do it. Come on, give it to me. Come on. Please. Yes. Oh. Wiggle that thing! Detach! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! You're moving it! Wait, you're moving it!
Wait, how? How? You shook it too much, that's how.
Good morning, friends. So, we woke up pretty early and we're gonna go to the fresh fish market, I don't know. Our last night here. Yum. Alright, trying the strawberry crispy Haagen-Dazs. My sister's trying to be a YouTuber. Mmm. It has like strawberry chocolate in it. Like strawberry chocolate. Oh, so we were looking for the green tea version of that. Couldn't find it. So we just settled for that. I bought green tea ice cream. They have this in the States though. This one is the caramel version, which I think will be really good. I really want to try these green tea balls, like these mochi balls. Should we try this? Here, I'm gonna use chopsticks.
Wait, I really like this strawberry.
Chopsticks are so short.
It would be good.
Okay.
As green tea though.
Trying the matcha balls.
Emily's just wondering if her car will fit 4 suitcases. I said, I don't know.
I think it's red bean. Actually, I don't know. It's pretty good, but
no, it's green bean
it's like pasty.
It's green bean paste.
Yeah.
No. 103 and just stuff everything.
Me and my sister got a acai, and we are going to try one of these balls that this is called takoyaki, but it's a bit kind of exploded. Sorry. Okay. It's kind of soggy. Cheers. And he just sent like 3 shoes for me and my sisters. That's so nice. Just got some hot dog sausages at the Family Mart, and look at these cute ketchup packets. They put mustard and ketchup together. These are my favorite, the egg with the rice, and those egg sandwiches my sister's opening is really delicious. Even it says in the front, fresh and delicious. Quick room tour at the Glad Hotel.
What is that supposed to be?
Look how like plushy this bed feels. I'm so glad I never feel important. It does complicate. What? Okay, Korean people have weird sayings like this. Really broken English. It makes no sense. It's like joy is morning. What? That was like all over my lunchbox. This was on my lunchbox when I was younger.
I'm glad I was up so late.
And cool.
That's the reason.
Really basic. Here's the mirror. Cute little bathroom. It's dark in here. Let me turn the light on.
I think it's from outside.
There we go. Cute. Oh, she needs to go. So we just finished up at a, thank you very much. We just finished up at a sauna, not a jjimjilbang. And now I think we're gonna go back home, maybe get some, oh, there's a CU store. And maybe get some banana uyu. That's like a must when you do it after any sauna trip. Look at how glowing my skin is though. Honestly, sauna is so good for your skin. So we're back at our hotel room and these are so good. I just have to feature them in the vlog. They're these chips. They're like puffy, airy stars. Con choco plus. Exactly what she said. Yeah, Cheetos puff. That's the texture, but it's dunked and covered in chocolate, so it kind of is like a, Does
it taste like a cereal?
I think it's not as hard. So good. So good. I think I get our So we came to Gentle Monster and
it's too dark.
I hate that. Wait, and I hate that. And now she said this is part of the exhibition, but we're scared to look inside. We're scared to look inside. I'm gonna go from this side.
It's black.
It's so black. It's black in there. Alright, ready? I'm gonna like slightly open it. Does it? You see it? It's like this is. The YouTube life, not that glamorous. We've been walking all across the city just to try to get to this Toshingongang, which means city airport. And these bags right here, they keep falling and it's really frustrating me. Saying goodbye to Asia 2018 Oak Sisters. Say hi to YouTube. Lord Farquaad. Okay, here we go. 13-hour flight. 13-hour flight back to Los Angeles, and then we're gonna get In-N-Out.